server, right, the computer, then you just want to really use the
cannot use that.
use this as the computer name. So each and every one.
So who can you can right? One question. Who still have difficulty? Who log in into the comma? I think already. Yeah. Okay. I think you already. Okay, right? Okay, so I'm going to the Linux or sometimes we call Unix, Unix, Linux, and the DIS framework. Okay, my agenda will introduce introduction, then the lab PC, which is the lab PC in front of you. Then how it works in a Unix environment. What are the main file management commands? Then the topic is EI text editor. So this is the login screen in the new lab, but your login screen, I think you already done it, right? So remote desktop, everyone have been able to remote to the server, right? And the server that assigned to you. Okay. So any issue, and then the video, how to bring out terminals, everything okay? Okay. Good. So okay, I'm just so Unix is the command line management. Rather than using a window, you use a lot of mouse click, right? You seldom really you want to see okay what are the files in the folder. You basically open up the Explorer or the just show, right? But in Unix, right, in the operating system, right, you use command line. You use ls. Later on, you have the chance to try ls to print the list of the file in the directory. Directory is the folders that store the files from the default. So ls will list them now. PWD is to print the current directory. PWD means print working directory. So to show where are you. Then CD is changed to change the current directory. So in the command prompt, you change the current to another directory that also will not copy, make files, make directory creation, RM DIR is directory removal. MV, move file or rename file. RM is delete file. Change mode, this is the permission of the file. I talk about more permission. I print the list of file. Okay. Create and display the content. Grab, so search for line, and then realize is the shortcut command. Show app and man. So, anyone has any questions? So let's go to listing file. So listing file is a list in the directory. So default is the current directory. Later I will show you. So default behavior. So default, if you don't specify any option, right, it will show you the default behavior. It will list by the alpha numeric order, and all begin with dot are not printed. So all begin with dot is a hidden file for those who need to deal with Linux side. So command is ls -l. It only lists the name of the file and directory. -a lists all the heap, including the email file. ls dot star also lists hidden file. Dot one lists one line per file. All of this right here. When you try it, then you get more understanding. Okay. For example, right, here PWD is a show working directory. In fact, you can start the terminal. Why don't you guys start the terminal? Log into the terminal. Yeah, in the terminal. Anyone need help that know it? You do a CD. And then you do a PWT to show whether in your home. It should be showing your home, right? And your username is a PD user, etc. Right? User 01, user 02, following your number just now. And I think right now you do not have this This is your lab exercise later. So ls -l is a long listing. So it displays all information. Here you can see here, okay, what are the permission, who own it, what's the group, the date, and the file name or folder name. So when this -a, al, then you will be able to see the hidden file. This is our hidden file. It's the directory. Top is the current working directory. Double job is the one upper directory. here listed out showing the characteristic attribute of your folder. Each of these meaning the permissions. So the permission here is the ownership, and this is the size, and this date is the last modification date. Question? Okay. Current directory, print the absolute part of the current directory login. So each user, when log in, is default to your home. You have a person directory, which is called home directory. When you print this, it will show the home directory. For example, mine is a /home. I have a specific username. For you guys, because you log in user01, then you show home/user01, 02, etc. So everyone able to show the home directory, or anyone else not being able to do that. So the directory, this is a structure. You can, under a home, you can create directory. Just like I showed, there are some command create directory that can create file. For example, here I show create my working directory. I change directory to lab because I have lab. I go to here, then I show directory. I delete, then it show this is my working directory. And the next command here, from here I can cd to full directory directly below. And this command, I'm in lab Unix directory, I cd to level up, I back to my directory. And this is how copy command. So the syntax, right, is copy source to destination. Option -R is recursive. So it recursive copy everything under that source to the destination. Example here. I'm at Unix 10. LL here I should have is a alias. I already alias to ls-al. So I release the folder under the lab, and I can copy lab 2 to lab 1. And I do a lab 1, I can see the same content. So far, so good.
So in the copy basically means copy everything into the directory.
Copy everything from the source recursively, everything underneath.
Basically meaning like every single line.
Yes. Everything under that folder, right? If you copy your source is a folder name, that means everything under that folder. If the folder have other folder, we will recursive copy that folder, the files in that folder direct as well. Good question. And RM file is remove the file. So example here, let's say this one I want to remove it. RM or text. Then when I release it, file will be deleted. You cannot undo, right? So to delete the directory, you must use the recursive option -r or -f. So, and you can, if the command you forgot, right, you can do a help on that command or do a MEN later. So, be careful when using this, using the -r. Because you remove everything underneath, so you do not know what files to remove, right? You cannot be undone. So this is creating and deleting directory. So creating using the mkdir directory. So create folder. Example here, you can specify directory 1, subdirectory 1, subdirectory 1, and you create for yourself immediately. You can follow under lab 1, Unix lab 1, Unix lab 1. List down, you have one folder and 2 text files. I make a test directory. I do a test list out. Now I see the new test directory. You can note the color of folder is different. So, and this command is the remove directory. Right? Example, I have the lab 1 here. I list out what are the content under that folder. I do sub 2 folder and 2 text files. I want to remove. I remove this directory and I do a listing. Now the test directory is removed. Simple, right? I think it's very straightforward. Okay, now about permission. Sometimes, okay, Linux is multi-user because multi-user, right? So you need the permission to protect your file against other users. So that other user not accidentally remove your file that you do not know, right? So because that folder, as long as you know the folder, you can change to that folder if they allow you to view it, right, or edit. So there are way to control. Read, write, execute. So it's in the binary format, right? So this is the bit 0, bit 1, and bit 2. Bit 2, which is a binary form, right? If I turn on 1, then it's readable. So, and it breaks down into 3 fields: user, group, and others. So user is the who only that file or folder. Right? Example here, for here, right? The lab 2. The use is a directory, right? The first letter is directory. So we see here, this is a read, write, execute. So the user has all the permission, can read, can write, and can execute. If the file is a command file, right, can be executed. Then the second group, right? You can see the group here only read dash. There's no write. That means if if all of you belong to one group, right? Then this permission will apply to that file or that file to you. That means you can read you belong to that group, you can read, but you cannot write it. So you can control that, and only the user can change the permission. And the last one is others. So others typically we don't open up all of them. So far, any clarification?
So I want to ask why the common is CH1755. What is meaning by 755?
Okay, okay, here, right? I can see my lab 2, right? Is read, write, execute 0, right? There's no execute. Then R dash. So, okay, if you convert this string bit to become binary, read, write, there's been 110. What is 110? 6, right? And R00, 4, right? So this means this permission started is 644. Follow? Let 5644. Let's say now I change to 755. 7 is what? 111. 5 is 101. 101. Then you see after I change, I list out, it become 7. 101, 101. So far, okay. Okay, next, honest. Okay. Follow, right? Any questions? Danish?
Condition.
Let's say, okay, I ask this question.
Yes.
I want my group, right? I want to change my group for the lab 2. I want to change my group to cannot read and cannot write, cannot execute. So what is the command that I want to
Yes. The others, the user still the same.
let's say it's still the same.
705.
Correct. Now next, you follow.
I think you should write down what the bits and how each bit becomes what number.
Okay, 7. This is decimal, right? In binary, what is the binary? There's a bit 2, bit 1, bit 2. Now this will be able to binary. What is the binary number that represents the decimal 7?
111.
Yeah, 1111. Because this is 1 mark, this one is 2 mark, right? This one is 4. 4 plus, then equals 7, right?
Yes. Maybe you should angle it because people would
Thank you. Okay. So if this objective, right, 1 to 4 represent for each field, right? So let's say, okay, now, okay, let's do this. Read, write. So what is this? Let's see now. Read, write, dash, read, dash, 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 dash.
640.
Okay, good. Yeah. This is 6, all right? This is 4, this is 0. anyone still have anything to ask?
So if you want to like change position, then you just write CH1 and RW, blah, blah, and then you change position.
Say repeat your question again.
If we want to change positions, right? So we write CH1 640.
Yeah. Yeah, you just issue the command like this. The intention of your mode, right? And that's file name or folder name that you want to change. So the binary number is very key important for digital logic in the super electronic. Moving file. So okay. So moving file is the syntax is MV, then your source and the destination. So this is okay. Moving file also a way to rename the file. So you want to rename file 1 to become file 2. Just issue this command. So this one moving file, move my file.txt in the home directory to a doc. It's to the current directory. So your current directory may be not in home, right? Maybe in some other working directory. You can specify. You do not have to go to that folder. You can specify the path of the file name, then you issue this command, then you basically copy that file to your current folder. So this is within your folder directory. So here are the examples. I have left 1, left 6 here. Let's say I'm in this current directory that means left. Then I list the file. I have these 2 files, text1, text2. Now I move left 2 to left 1. Then I list out. So this is my left 1. Then I list this out. Right? I can see, okay, my left 2 already copied inside the left 1 folder. You can see under the Unix directory, the left 2 no more. It's moved over, not copied, sorry. So pass away. So this is searching file. So file with the option and the name. So what name you want to search for? Right. Let's say I want to look for the name lab from the F2, right? I'm here. This folder labs. Then it lists down, okay, my lab 2 is currently under lab 1. So if you don't specify it, right, then it lists out everything. All instruction. So creating file and display the file content. So okay, just now I showed in one of the pages like creating the file. Cat is can display the file. They can also create the file. If the file is not already exist, it will create the file. Right. So one greater than sign is a pipe in. So basically you send and everything from here to the file name. So okay, you can write down this command for creating files, and how it does is that add to a text 0.text, right? Try right now in the terminals. Let's maybe try this. So go to your home directory first, right? You do a tag greater than text 0.text. Then you type. Then if you will not see another the prompt, right? Your prompt listed here, and there's nothing next to it. Then you type hello, three exclamation mark.
So what is the functions of the control?
Control D, this one.
Yeah.
So you try this. You type this, right? Then you type hello. Then you type Control D to exit from the command. Then
So if you put control C.
Control C is killing something. Control D is for this case, right? If you Control C, then you kill the process. After you type this one, then you type follow with the Control D. Then this prompt will come back again, right? Whatever this prompt. I'm not sure whether the prompt is the same. Okay, I have few more minutes, then I will release you to do some help. Yeah. So let me cover so hold on, I'll let you guys continue to lab later. So this one done, right? So grab, okay, grab, you have options, what are the options, then what do you want to grab, and then from where you want to grab. So grab is like searching some things from your folder or from your files. Let's say I will search a keyword from a file, I use grab, and syntax is like this. Let's say just now I create my file ABC one, right? Let's say ABC, I type a hello in there. I do a grab hello, then it will display there. Let's say you do a grab hello. You follow the case sensitive first. You type H capital, then you let's say you for Visa you type hello in capital H, right? You do a grab hello. Then the file name, and you will get back whatever text in that file name. And right, I move on to the next one. Later you try any. So alias, this is created a shortcut command, right? Shortcut, like shortcut. Your alias, the new name that you want to assign, any name you can think of that you can remember, right? Let's say I use LL as a, so the name have to be different from the Unix command, right? So, and then equal to command. So this is to make your shortcut, this is to undo the shortcut. So I can, this is long list, but I want to alias LL equal to LS minus AL. Otherwise I have to type LS minus AL, right? So now I can just type LL. And this is to show how I undo the alias. Okay. And this is alias. So if you, okay.
For alias, you have a limit on how many alias you can make.
So far, there's no, I haven't find any limit yet.
So can we list out our alias if we have like a list of alias that we make?
You can, you mean?
You like, let's say I would like few alias, LL and then maybe LB and something.
Yes.
How do I list out the alias?
Oh,
Like seeing that.
you type in the alias as a command prompt, you list out all alias.
I want to ask, if, let's say that the alias is already existing, and then you make another command like alias and then you go to another command. So it will override or
We will override the existing alias. And then this is the command to find help on the command. The Unix command you're not familiar, what are the options to use? You use man. Let's say the ls, you forgot. What are the options? You can man ls. You can try right now. Or man any command that, let's say cement grab, main space grab, enter. Okay, it's a long list, right? Okay, maybe I read this. So, exercise number 1. Follow this one. Create a folder following structure under your home directory. Print the folder tree out. Maybe you will have to print first. You create this first. And the text 1, text 2 have to put under here. So I give you any questions on this exercise. I give you 10 minutes until 11. Maybe I give you until 11:40. Right? Break the same folder structure. then start, and raise your hand and come by. Okay. Use a screenshot.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the one you show is something like that. Good. Okay. You can use get your external text. Type enter, then otherwise because you can add the line. You start your then you can go off You will come here or come small, at least you have to come up with but you
because we also have our projects on hand. We cannot like totally, we cannot do the what so the
I check with but I think it's not that it's not important that's fine. You live in nearby, right?
yeah. That's the language.
Until 45. Then I exercise. So if finish 2, then 3. You can take down, snap, so 3 taken, right? But not yet, not yet. 2, right? Not yet. Can I go back to Zoom? Yes. Yeah, everyone. So do the 2 and 3. Do the 2 and 3. Exercise. Yes. Okay. Okay. Welcome back here and good. I appreciate your time. Very good. So I hope that you also can continue your time. So okay. Before I start the class, don't worry about the lab exercise. I will count. I think back to what are the solutions. I saw some of you also already completed nicely. So for those who have yet completed, later to show the result, and then I will send out I still need to look up where you get the copy. Then the file will include the solution as well. Right. But before we start, I like to have some nice things, right? Afternoon, I think it's difficult for you guys to stay awake, right?
Yeah.
After lunch, right? We will have break time, don't worry. But I think no tea time served up, right? I don't think we avoid tea time coffee, but okay. I'm not sure whether the cafeteria open, but there are many machines to get some coffee. But okay. Okay, let's do some stand up. Let's do So next down. Okay, up.
3, 2, 1, Stop. Workout complete.
Okay, very good, everyone. So tell your friends next tomorrow we do something new. So tell your friend, ask your friend, do you like this? Let's do now. Okay, so exercise one, ask you to do this, right? I think everyone able to do it, no problem, I good, very good. Okay, this is solution. Right, this, I can send to you as well. Okay, then exercise two. This is a copy folder, that one into current folder, name it that one copy. Move all the file in the that one copy and paste it to current folder. So remember, where is your current folder? It's lab 2. Right? So all the file will have to move up to lab 2. Then change the text to rename it. So you use the rename, right? You have copy, you have use the command copy and rename it and remove. So then you remove the folder, remove file, remove folder, right? Okay. So these are the solutions, right? If you have done so, right, you will end up, you have create the lab 2, then underneath lab 2, you have a file name called text3, right? So your lab 1 have text1, text2, lab 2 have text3. And the file have the sequences of capital and no capital somewhere. exercise 3 continue. Then we use find command to look for search the text files, search for files. Because you have when you created 6 folders, right? There are two folders already with some text files. So means the left one and left two, right? So this is ask you to use the find command, how to use the find command. And then using grep to search the content keyword in the text file. Ignore case and without ignoring the case. So 3 steps. So this everyone can be able to do this. So okay, find. First you should be in the left tree, right? Then you type this find dot. So up dot means go up 1 folder up and search for name dot text. So double quote dot text, right? And when you do type this command, you list out all the files in the search folder with the full path. You should get this. So, anyone have question, clarification? All good. Then this one, minus I is the ignore case. The star.stars is all the folder, right? This one, output the display terminal. This one pipe into the graph.text. The excellent, the reader sign. Any question? Any? Case starting, okay. So maybe so this is okay.
Why did you change from slash dot to copy the subtext?
Which one? This one?
We have star slash star and then become star dot star. Why is it?
Wait, maybe it's a typo one.
Star.
No, the typo is
Oh, okay.
the star understand the usage for this. Means anything star that's asterisk, right? Anything that match, regardless of how many characters, right? And if a dog must match, right? Like this one, put a slash. If you want the file with a dog, there's one, at least one dot match. This is for, so one order up left, the parent of left 3. This is under, then look for one. Okay. Here, any question? Otherwise, I move to the next. Okay, VIM or VI is a text editor that has it's a very efficient and powerful tools, right, that use in the physical design. So there are two modes the VIM. In your command line, you type VIM, you will get into command mode. Then the other mode is insert mode. Command mode, okay. To switch between the two modes, right? To start the VIM editor, you type VIM file name. If you don't put the file name, then there's no file name assigned. Then before you exit, you want to save to a file name, then you have to tell what file name you want to save to. Right? Otherwise, it will ask you what file name to save. So command mode to suit in command mode, right? You will be allowed to move around, moving around, or other editing tasks, search and replace. So switching between these two, right? In command mode is you type I, switch back, switch to insert mode. And escape, go back to command mode. So if you look at your screen, right? When you are in the insert mode, then you can compose the content, or you can type the message, right? Type text. It's a text editor. Like these are the text. Okay. So when you are insert mode, here show you insert mode. Command mode, then you can use the right to move around. So okay, you can okay, in command mode, colon W is to save the file but keep it open. Colon Q is quick without So this is nothing new to do. Right? So in command mode, we move the cursor. Right. H is left, A down, A up, L right. And line moving, assuming we want to move faster, right? This upper angle will begin go up to beginning of the current line of the line. Dollar sign go to the end of the line. So you have to experience this by changing the This is word meaning. So you want to move one word by one word, right? B is backward one word by one word. Okay. So there are special moving G beginning of bar, capital G to the end, dollar, and dollar, go to percentage of the top. Let's say your file is very big, right? Let's say you want to go to 50%, but 50%. So, command mode, delete X access presses. So, it will delete X. Then undo is to new button use. For this three, these are search, copy, and paste. So, that is the // search. Let's say if someone search something. For example, here, let's say here over here, search for NI. So you list down all the NI highlighted. In command mode, you will see your insert here. And more complex command. This command is doing the search for OX and replace with the new stack, and G is globally. And this is from line N to line capital N. You search for O, replace with new globe. You can tell, okay, so you don't have to edit one by one. You can specify, because this, when you deal with a lot of, let's say, report, right, these are very useful command for you to have increase your productivity. Okay, so far so good. Any question, any clarification? Okay, here are some examples. Okay, if I in command mode, I type column V vertical split. I can split the editor to two side by side. Vertical. This is split horizontal. So the file is called Gen1PL. So command to split. So if you want to compare, sometimes want to compare two files, this is the best way. But the splitters, then you open up the other file. Okay, here summarize the editor command. So, yeah, you see command vi how many vi minus r open with only mode. Another column Q exclamation mark is a quick file without saving. Right, this one. You have this one. Insert text for cursor at the beginning of timeline. So you use small letter O or capital O, open a new line below or after the current line. Small letter in open below. So I will add a new line below the current line that your cursor at. And move to the next level decision search, when you do a search, right? And we move capital and the search in the opposite. You can set the line, show the number, the string, delete word. So I will not go through all this. I'll give you this. Okay, let's do some exercise. Okay, this is an exercise for example, recording mode. Please enter the QN. Show you the recording aspect. You can try following. Okay, open your AI, VIF. Maybe you start with the test.v, right? Edit public test.v. Then you start typing this input EQ exactly like this. Just step one, just pull up here. Then press QN to enter the recording and stop here. I want to see here. Because this DQ one is not you type in one. DQ one, you need to use this command. So you will first do that first. Up to you.
So what is meant by recording?
Mean I record all the keystroke. Because I want, later on, I want to repeat that, let's say 200 times. I don't have to type 200 times. I just type, okay, repeat, like after I record series of keystroke. I ask repeat this, they will repeat. You will see later on, because I increase this, right?
Yeah.
From DQ0, DQ1, say I have 256. You can type one, right? I have a much faster way for you to complete this.
Yeah.
Which is using the recording mode. You are up to and show the recording work. QN. That's recording work. That is it. Because then step 2 is copy, paste and increase the number. Copy, paste, right, is YY is yank. It will remove the current line. Then you type P, you paste back. Then you control A, you increase by 1. Yeah. Particularly, I use the recording. Okay, good, right? Yeah. YY is the yank element that in your line, the cursor must be the first line, right? YY, you should be control, then you paste back, then the input is DQ0 here. Then you control A, you increase by 1. So that now you're still recording, otherwise it's little. This first line, right? You have to type support dash DQ0 comma.
The first line. Thank you.
Okay, ready to move to the next?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, okay, exit the recording room, right? If you not successfully done, then you have to redo again, right? You have to exit, then here also, then no more, but then your text file still release, right? You are still in comma mode. Then if once you did this, right, you want to automate the number, right? Instead of you type like this, right? Then you repeat type this pi at n. Then it will automatically add all the pi line there. Let's say you have 1,000, you can increment the 1,000. You don't have to type one by one. Okay, so far okay. And anyone can successfully done up to here. Anyone complete up to the step 4? then remember the set the small seat. Feel like give example like this, five, the recording do 5 times. Let's say it's 200 times, but 200, thank you. you close this off without save or you try to start again your laptop to follow the step executed. Five and is held the series of five times. Because you done this one, now you are in second one, you have to go back to command mode. To start the recording, you have to be in command mode. That's why you press escape now, you go back to command mode. You see now it's ESC. Okay, now you are recording. Oh, you already recording mode now. You try to you should start the recording. Not that. It's starting. So, in fact, the recording mode will only enter at the command mode. So you first edit, insert the line, that line, then you do ESC will come out from the insert mode. Then only start recording mode from there. No, now don't record now. Escape. From Q. Exit. So you are in command mode. Now you do an edit mode. Now insert mode. Okay. EQ0, and ESC. Back to command mode. See how you look at it. That is CSR. Okay, now then you repeat the yank, paste, and no. See, step 2, Wi-Fi 2. So step 2 is copy, paste, and increase the number. Wi-Fi is copy, so type Wi-Fi. Control A. Right, exactly like this one. Then step 3 is the Q, with the recording mode. So okay, step 3 is stop the recording mode. Then step 4 is to repeat the 5 times. Now you already know that in step 5, go to level 5 and 10. See you right camera. No need Wi-Fi already. Just type 5 alias and so that's step 4. So your white that one will copy Then do your command. Why not? Need to base, control base. Then click you need to stop your recording. Then type 5 to 5. Layers and so you cannot insert other Wi-Fi whatever you think, right? After you stop the recording mode, you have to switch. You are still in recording mode, you have to stop the recording mode. And now you should find the layers so exactly you have to follow the study. Don't go back to the okay, exercise 4. Continue from where you did. Do it until this. So 137 DQ. This is like signal, data signal 137. Good. Exercise 4 also okay, right? Okay, Now exercise 5. Go to your left side of the create a file with the following command. So type one and do this task. For 10 minutes. So you set all this. You can see now. Cannot see.
Just lazy.
Because I later will use this file to do some exercise. So, so know how to do all of this task, search the word and replace, DT, flashback, some of the command.
G 和后面有点。
It's search forward, search backward. Replace. This is replace search and copy paste. This line, I search. So this eight is a line, each line, each one. This is search backwards. So like this one, add sharp at each beginning of the line. We can do manual way, but actually we do faster way. Okay, anyone task number one? Anyone want to share how you do this task number one? Maybe or want to try right now you carry it out.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's simple, right? Number 2, who want to try? Thank you, thank you. Number 3. Any volunteer? Really? But this is only one to change by 2. Okay, am I good try? Thank you. If you can change like this, it will change everything.
Yeah.
Right? It change everything, right?
Yeah, not this.
Good, but I think encourage yes, try. I think number 4. Copy line one piece to the end of file. So to one to give a try. This one, number 4. How you define you can use your career, but this can be you can see it like Okay, for the last one, number 5, right? Among your teams, I think all each group will discuss what is the solution. Later, I think one team send one rep out to see what we will sample about 1, 2, 3 to see what are the methods to. We also can discuss among the group what are the for number 5. Thank you. So, for those, let's stop. discuss among your team to see which is ready to share out the method. Discuss among want to discuss the task number one. Number one. Oh, how about why show number 5 is one share? Give another 5 Daniel, Zahim, try to simplify. So, still number one. Number one should be simple one. Thank you. Why?
Yes.
You try it. Work or not?
It works.
Okay. And to the next one. 6. Go to your left 6 folder. Make a strict copy of the text file in the Unix folder into the current folder using C#. Then this with the strict replace or synopsis. So you guys will be able to log into the lab PC to log in, enable the log both on in the Unix environment. So folder structures, create folder, find the word search for replace, and name file and management command. And VI text editor, so what is so any things aliases you guys try or not? Aliases for those that first time deal with Unix, try alias. Try shortcut. Create a shortcut so that you don't have to type this command plus the option. Throughout the exercises, all of these command SB. And I have more practices for I'm going to upload. I already have the call, the testament to upload that to the, so you guys can test it out. I think the more you practice, the more you get familiar with this, and then you learn, you can immediately, I think, being able to call the command that you need to perform to execute the task. Then we cover the script, right? Script. There's some simple script, search for file, look for keyword, replace with one keyword with another one. This is complete. This is the aliases and the files. I think you guys can see there. You can practice more. And then you guys, if you want to install in your laptop, right? In this terminal, if you cannot log in, right? You can Google search for WS Windows. You can install the Linux system on your Windows system. For this one, the remote desktop should be in your Windows. Your Windows system should have a remote desktop. If not, then you have to download the desktop. Then the server name, I will get it PSPC find out the server. Yes, open the server. Your good. Don't have current talk. So maybe go back, right? If you what you can do, see whether you can start the remote desktop application first. Then bring up the over here, this is my personal laptop. But this computer name I have to find out from the PSPC so that you can remove from. Then once you remove, you log into that the machine and register. Here. I'm not sure whether this I don't know I can access it, but right now it's over here. So I need to get the each computer the boot up, then you can remove the exact the little desktop that you have. Then you can practice the Unix command VI. So Okay, tomorrow, the breakfast starts served 8:30 at same place, Nano Wave. Then 9 o'clock we start sharp.